how to simplify your life and live it with intention.
Hey Mina Venner, it's Heather with Tidy Life, and I've got 7 tips for you. My 7th tip is to be intentional with future choices. The choices you make should reflect your values, goals, and ideal life vision. Be deliberate and intentional about how you spend your money and your time. Before you make a purchase, ask yourself, will this help me reach my goal? This will help you save money by reducing impulse purchases. Be deliberate with how you spend your time. You may need to set up boundaries to protect your routines. For example, if one of your goals is better sleep and your strategy was to set up a consistent nighttime routine, set boundaries by turning on Do Not Disturb or by powering off your phone before bed, and decline those invitations to stay out late on a regular basis. Of course, an exception once in a while shouldn't derail your efforts. Be intentional with what you do. Choose one thing to focus on at a time and see it through. Multitasking just prevents any one task from being done completely and well. Finish one thing before moving on so that you don't end up with dozens of half-started projects. By simplifying your personal space, your belongings, and your mind, and practicing the strategies consistently that you've set up to reach your goals, you will lead an intentional life and find your purpose in life. Thanks, everyone. Be sure to follow me on Instagram at TidyLifeGot. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Hej då!